Hey guys, we're back for some Pixelmon Workshop. Just Ghost tonight. Today, though Spesh might be joining. We're not in the recording room. That's a big oof.
I got it. One
Dang
sec.
already.
Boom.
Ruin your
Taken
own
care of.
recording. Dang. So, we're on a bit of a time rush today because we didn't realize we had time for this. Don't worry about it. Ghost is going to go work on the diesel generator over in the Mesa. I'm going to work on getting these coal coke ovens back up to spec. Get some good old-fashioned void pipes on the top. Get some more coal in there so we can get some coal coke, because we need coal coke by a lot.
Yep.
Because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on making the improved blast furnace, get some more steel production, because we need a lot of steel to get some high voltage wiring so we can take the power back from the Mesa to here. And we unfortunately don't have a way to... Like, I wish we could teleport fluids.
Yep, we don't have the teleport mods. I think
Which, I mean, they don't exist anymore.
Yeah. The Kabuto in the Poke Center's done. I don't know if that's yours.
Is that mine? This is probably mine. I'm going to leave it there. I don't remember if it was mine. Ghost, go.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting my suit. Forgot my suit.
Oh, crap. No, I can't go over it yet.
Sure you can.
No, I was heading over, but that was not where I need to go, because I need to get I need to make a wire and two of the things over here, and I need aluminum ingots and stuff. You want to sleep to get rid of night?
We have Mobius. You can sleep.
Oh, sweet. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's only 50%. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bam. Ow. Keep forgetting it kicks me into my ceiling every time I get out of bed.
The stakes served us well, but they are now useless. I mean, we need creosote. If we ever really need some, we can hook them back up.
Yeah, what I was thinking is if we can get, like, a large storage, like, tank, those are cheap to make, and just
transport
move
it,
it off. Yeah, and then we could have all the glass tanks back for mobile use.
I mean, if you want, you can just put one of those tanks down.
Yeah, but I need to figure out what I was doing with the high voltage stuff first. Alright, so I need a high voltage connector. I don't think I need a relay, because I think I can just run the wire straight through.
Yeah, you're 1-to-1, you're fine.
I just need 3 aluminum ingots, 4 terracotta.
As a note, you have like 6 relay points on that, and each of them get like you need all of them connected to get the full power.
Wait, what?
So
there's more relay
So on
points?
go to your diesel and notice that the point where power comes out, there's like 3 or something. You need 3 to get the full amount of juice out.
Okay, well that's fine. It makes 4 for 3 aluminum ingots, so I just need to find tin, nickel, aluminum. 1, 2, 3. And I guess I'll get the terracotta when I'm over there. Oh, no, then I have to make the high voltage wire. So I need to make... No, I do need to make a relay then, because I need to merge all 3 of those.
Yeah, you need to braid them together.
Okay, that requires insulating glass and 3 more aluminum ingots. The insulating glass is... Oh, dear God. Okay, iron powder, glass, and a green pigment. Okay, cool. I have green pigment, or I can get cactus green.
Oh, is insulating glass the thing we have to put on wires?
For the high voltage.
Gross.
Okay,
wait, that's just for aluminum. Relays. That doesn't actually... I don't think you can insulate the high voltage wire itself.
Oh, and then I need to make the wires themselves. So I make 4 wires. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all I need. So I need to make 2 aluminum, 2 steel.
Ghost, I don't think we can destroy the wire, or the... I don't think we can insulate the wire themselves.
Oh, yeah, they're just probably going to insta-kill us.
Yeah.
I'll try to keep it from, you know, being in a dangerous spot. Do you have the wire cookie cutter?
1 sec.
And do I have a stick?
I hate that you have a different backpack mod on this server than the other server.
Yeah, considering this backpack mod is not quite as good as the other one.
Wow, okay then. I meant I hate the other one because you have to push B to open it.
Actually, no, these ones are bigger.
Yeah, they're upgradable. No, it's somewhere in town.
Okay, because I see the gear. It's currently on ingots.
Okay, these need a wood pipe.
Would it be
Gross.
on... No, that's Spesh's template thing. God, we have a lot of cobwebs.
Yeah. This guy was mean about it.
Aha! Metal press, rod, and wire. Alright, I'm going to put all those in the chest in that press building, so that way we don't have to keep searching for them.
Okay. I do wish we had a way to teleport fluids, because, man, I'd really wish to have the diesel here instead of in the mesa. But, like, I think
what we could do
we have to chunk load the entire pipeline, though.
I mean, we have to do that with the power lines, too,
No,
wouldn't we?
only the endpoint and the start point have to be loaded with power lines.
Oh, that's fancy.
Yeah, it's why they're really good.
No, this is definitely easier.
I wonder if the fluid pipes from immersive engineering can just
that only
do
makes
that as
2.
well.
4 dust. And any kind of glass, and then organic green dye. Okay.
I'm actually gonna look into that. I'm gonna see if we could just fluid pipe everything back, because if we could pipe power back, surely we could, get water back. Granted, I know it's different because the way the math equation for electricity works is it just knows the start point and the end point, calculates how much power you would lose from between those points.
Yeah. Ah!
Yeah?
Oh, I stood too close to the conveyor belt. So I was picking back up the stuff I was converting into wire. Oh, it goes to 2 wire per thing.
Yep. You get more wire from doing it that way.
Some of it made it into the pipe.
Ghost. Just... Ow. Why do you hurt me so? I gave you an HP up. And then I proceeded to get electrocuted for my HP. Glass.
I mean,
glass.
it charges up your HP. Makes sense.
Okay, so
Okay.
Ghost.
Yes.
We're gonna explode, probably.
That's not good.
Guess who's an idiot?
What?
So you know how I said I was gonna make oh no, I made void fluid pipes. Never mind. I'm not an idiot. Look, I'm only a partial idiot. Get over it.
Alright, let's do this. 1. And wire. Cool. Alright, so I made 8 wires. Then I need to get some terracotta for that, and then I need to get the infuse. Okay, so I need some cactus, and I need some just regular glass. Glass we have in tons of. Oh wait, we have cactus. That's a whole barrel full of cactus, isn't there?
God damn it.
Hmm.
Why doesn't this auto output its creosote?
It maybe does it on the bottom. Liquids tend to be at the bottom.
Valid.
And how much glass am I going to need for these things? Oops. 4 pieces. Glass. Okay. Now I just need... Do we still have small furnace mailboxes? I guess I could just use that big cooker.
I was
So you were going to
confused.
upgrade these blast furnaces to the next tier?
Yep, there's an improved one where I just need to reinforce them with a steel plate apiece. Very quickly just checking this.
They are currently making more steel for you, and I have some extra if you need it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put... How much do you need, do you think?
It's 27 ingots per blast furnace.
Okay, so that's going to produce you 22, so I'll leave 5 more. There we go. There's 5 more in the chest in front of it, so that should get you 27 when they finish.
Hey, Ghost, quick question.
Mm-hmm.
Which tab do you think coal coke oven... Oh, it's right there. It's overview and resources. Okay.
Okay, now I can go to the Mesa. I'm glad you told me there were 3 connectors, because I never assumed any machine ever would produce more than 1 connector worth. Because that just doesn't make sense to me. But
so
now we can
say
start producing more diesel fuel, and then I need to probably get the pipes hooked up from the distillery out.
Probably.
And I need to fix up some better into the distillery pipes as well.
Alright, Ghost, it's gonna look ugly. That's not my fault.
I mean, it's Minecraft. Most builds don't look terribly. Oh, shit.
They need a redstone engine apiece.
For all of the...
Per coke oven.
Oh, that's easy. I've got 7 if you need them.
Yeah, you wanna, like, quickly zap them back?
Yeah, let me go heal in the Mesa so I can do a quick teleport.
Hey.
Hold on.
So I don't want to end up making more unless I have some. I don't. Got some Sterling engines.
Oh, that was cobalt. I like flew by some cobalt, and I thought it was a shiny ghastly, because it was just a different color out of the corner of my eye.
And breaking news, local man mistakes magical rock for living, breathing... Actually, never mind, it's not living or breathing. Yo, that's a big-ass centric. Oh, I take it you just came home.
Yep.
Man, I miss my 30-something levels. This guy stole them from me. Along with my life.
Damn.
Where are you?
I'm currently at the Mesa, and then I have to make my way back home.
Okay.
Okay, cool. I just made my last, or the router-y thing. But now I have my teleport point set back here, not back at the main town, so I can get back here easily. It's easier to go to town from the Mesa via portal than it is to go the other way around.
Oh, god damn it, I just made 3 chisels. Wanted to make levers.
Oh. Oh, you want levers? I have 47 of them.
That goes through levers, you need them.
No, because I don't have that many engines. I had sticks and I had a bunch of cobblestone, so I'm like, yeah, I'll combine these stacks.
You can't make me not make levers, Ghost. I'm too powerful. Levers are cheap.
Alright.
Where are you?
Coming through the portal.
You know, if you really wanted to, you could have just thrown the engines through.
I mean, that would have been more laggy. Alright, and also they're in my bag.
Sorry.
How many do you need?
3.
4? 3.
I'm not used to actually being able to punch you.
And there's 3 levers. Go, Kadabra, go! Away! Alright, now let's get this thing hooked up. Hello, Sand Slash.
Billion IQ. Share 1 lever.
Oh, I see the 3 outputs you're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so. Put a relay on this wall. Output. Let's put the relay in the center so we don't have any weird issues with it, like being too far away. And then we put a...
You know, Ghost, you're right. If we could get rid of these, like, tanks, that'd be really good right now. They're kind of in the way.
Yeah, because that's where you'd want to put your engines and stuff, so...
No, it's where I want to put the barrels.
Ah. Alright. So we have
Got
some
a pretty
extra
amount of
low
aluminum.
voltage wiring now, and now we put the high voltage
Were we
down.
automatically making iron plates?
That's a low dangerous wire, but which plates?
Iron plates? We have like a stack of them.
I threw a couple stacks because we had a bunch of extra iron in. Okay, this thing does not have fuel currently, so it should not kill me if I hook up these wires.
Careful, it will kill you if it has fuel and is running.
There we go. And the wires will go over top of the machine, so they shouldn't be deadly to me.
Nice.
Alright, so now I have some spare relays and some spare wires. I don't really need these metal doors. I don't know why I have it. Actually, you know what? The metal doors might be useful.
Okay.
6 fence posts will not. And away with you, 6 fence
Treated
posts.
fence.
Okay. So this is now not receiving power. These are the output tanks, and these are filled. Is the gas stuff the diesel?
No, diesel is diesel, gasoline is gasoline.
No, the gassy stuff.
What?
Or no, I don't produce gas. That's
Yeah,
the other.
you're looking for your own stuff. Mod Maker, why do you make those in batches of 3? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Fluid gasoline, 176,000. All right.
Ghost.
What?
I have a formal complaint.
Hmm.
When you make treated wood fences, you make them in batches of 3.
Mm-hmm.
You need 4 to do anything with them.
Yeah, there's a lot of things, like the scaffolding and stuff, that uses 3 sticks and 3 planks when you actually make 4 and stuff. There's a lot of inefficiency, I think, intentionally in the system.
Why do you do this to me? Do we love this bird bath? Or is it supposed to be here?
Bird bath?
Yeah.
I think it's supposed to be there, but I'm not really sure.
I want to find somewhere to put this.
Bucket, stone, and a pipe.
I want to find somewhere to put this tank that's nearby, so minimal piping. But I don't want to demolish a house, but I definitely will if I have to. You know?
Yeah.
I'm not afraid.
Now, if you place down cobblestone and then mine it with a burning hammer, do I get full stone again? Yes, I do. Sweet. Don't have to go find a forge. Have to go find a crafting bench. Alright, 1 liquid transfer node stack. Boom, boom. And then I just need a
How tall is this?
pipe. Cool. This should put the diesel from here
1, 2,
into here.
3, 4 tall. 1, 2, 3, 4 tall. I love how easy these tanks are to make, though. Like, it's just 30-something ingots of iron. That's it.
Yep. Alright, where's my guidebook? How the hell do I work this diesel generator? Fuel is input at the bottom corners of the generator. Energy output with up top 3 connectors on the top. Output will split between all connected points. Small terminal on the side will turn off the generator if supplied with a redstone signal. This behavior can be inverted by using engineer's hammer.
Let me know I'm blind and stupid. Again.
I don't know how to turn it on. Producing?
Oh, you need a redstone signal, Ghost. Ghost, get a lever, put it on the one thing that has a red dot on it.
Oh, okay. I thought it was a start button. I didn't realize it was a lever spot.
Nah, that's where you input your redstone.
not pumping.
Did you not get diesel in it? God damn it.
That would probably explain my issue.
You don't have diesel?
I put a gasoline.
Ghost. I told you they're different.
Fluid Diesel. Fluid Gasoline. Much better.
Those are
Okay.
just the excess ones. Like, you also have more producing.
Yeah, but I'm putting them in here in lieu of having a pipe system for the moment.
Did I really leave my... Oh, no, I put the servos away in a chest.
Now is power coming out, or do I need to flip the switch the other way? Flip the switch the other way. Hey, there it goes. Now it actually is like smoking and stuff.
Is
and
it making the
coloring.
horrible noise it makes?
Oh dear God.
It's hungry.
Yeah, so it's able to like really quickly process crude now.
Yeah, it's because your ghost. You are giving it twice the amount of power it requires. Like, go to the engineer's manual, Ghost. Go to heavy machinery. Then it is the... Oh, where is it? Oh, I know, it's in oil processing. Look at the Distillation Tower. Then you'll look... Distillation Tower uses 2,048 flux per operation. What's the number of flux you're currently generating with a diesel engine?
I don't know. It filled the bar up. Oh no, it's in my book. Hold on. It is 4,096.
Yeah, so you're producing roughly about double. And by roughly, I mean exactly. Ghost, I'm gonna do you a favor. Let's lay down some pipe.
So what now I need most now?
Oil.
I need laminar fluid pipes to provide the oil fast enough.
Yeah, what Ghost? That's what I meant. We're gonna lay some pipe down.
Oh, okay.
You see those giant tanks full of oil that just kind of aren't really doing much other than make a little bit of fuel?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want some?
Yeah, and then I can hook up a pipe system. Is that? Oh, cool. That's transfer node pipe. That's not the fast stuff.
No, that's shit. It's passive.
Oh, that's a chunk loader. That's what that block is. I was like, what the hell is that green thing?
Your baby wouldn't be loaded if it wasn't. I actually checked. You weren't loaded. Ghost, I am here. And I bring laminar fluid ducts.
Are they super or regular laminar?
Ghost, do you really think I made normal laminar fluid ducts? Do you think I half-assed this shit?
Alright, so does it work with these pipes, or they just stick...
These are laminar pipes already attached, Ghost.
No, I mean... This...
I could have just fucking died.
I had turned off.
Okay.
It was now lacking input, was basically the issue now.
We're gonna have to dig a path. So you don't want it to block everything. So. Ooh, that's actually a lot of distance.
Yeah, that's why I was just going to use the little bucket things for right now.
Where'd super go? Did I leave my supers at home? I think I left my supers at home. I brought the 38 I have, but yeah, that definitely is not enough distance. Okay, take this. Ghost, take this. Do you have a... You don't have a wrench, do you? Did you just fucking break it with your pickaxe?
It works. They're fine.
You monster.
Alright. Well, all we need to do is just hook up the pipes you have from the existing buckets for right now, because I just need something that can supply it while it makes some more.
Oh, never mind. I have them in my inventory. I'm just blind. I'm just blind today. Sec. Okay. Oh, God damn it. So, here's what we're gonna do. Should we route it above so you siphon the stuff that doesn't make it in there? Or should we route it below so you pull out and it makes sure it's still pressurized?
Do you have a joining thing between those two systems, or
I do
would
not.
having one of them drained? Yeah.
They both drain into the same system.
No, they don't. The lever is on a
Oh,
block
look at that, I'm
that otherwise
stupid.
would have been. You can put some pipes down below it, and just put a connection down there with
You know,
pipes.
that's probably where those pipes that I deleted came from.
Yeah.
Oh well. New plan. Just gonna do this.
All right.
Is this less efficient or more efficient zigzagging?
It's equal.
Is it?
It's just a little bit more, like, block area taken up. If you just go out straight and over straight, it's the same. Like, because you're still putting the exact same number. You're not getting a benefit from having diagonal pipes.
Right, because Pythagoras doesn't exist in this universe.
Nope. It's all squares.
Guess I should just do straight then. Now you have a weird, like, zigzag you can walk on.
Turning it on.
Alright.
Goes through buckets every second, and it's out.
As in it drained both tanks?
No, the two tanks aren't hooked up yet. It was just what was pumped into the machine before the...
Oh, so you need some super laminars here right now?
Yeah, I was just going to drain these tanks and then use the tanks to siphon out that tower that you had spare.
Actually, what am I doing? We don't need this.
So what is the red thing?
That's a servo. Where'd that tank I just fling out of existence go?
In your inventory?
It's not in my inventory. It's right here.
Ah, okay. Oh, that thing's full. All right. So yeah, look at that. Look at the tank fuel levels.
Yeah, it sucks.
Yeah, it's super processing it.
It slapped me over here!
That gives you 7 hearts of healing.
I mean, I'm healing, but Jesus!
Yeah, the maybe I should put another relay and then just like go vertically down so that that's a little bit higher up.
Maybe.
Okay, so now it's stalling on emptying the tank of output.
Ghost? I hope you understand we don't have enough laminars.
Alright, that means we have to make more. I believe these ones are a huge pain in the butt.
They're not the hugest pain in the butt.
Super laminar fluid duct. It requires bronze and then hardened glass.
Like, I've been making these things on my own for a
Hardened
while
fluid
now.
duct. Invar ingots.
That's the killer. It's Invar. I've been using the quarry to siphon off.
So
It's
close.
nickel. We're so close. Actually, I'm gonna kidnap a few of these. I am doing a project at home where I'm emptying some tanks, but I don't think I have enough pipes as is down.
Which is on. The good news is that it uses diesel so little to generate that much power.
Yeah, you're always profiting.
Yeah. But I mean, like, we don't even need the special tanks for that side. For, like, filling up the generator. We can do that off of a spare tank.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, what I'm I know I said I'd work on the steel production, but I think we need to work on our supporting steel production because it needs to run on coal coke. And we need coal coke for a lot of other stuff. The issue is, our coal coke as of right now is not automated. It just kind of sits there when we remember that it exists.
Okay, so we got another problem.
Yeah, what's your problem?
When the gasoline tank fills up,
Yep, you need to move it.
It has to drain from the bottom, so it won't drain the diesel and lubricant and just fill the tank with spare gasoline.
Exactly. And the thing is, we need gasoline and lubricant for other things. Gasoline runs, for number one thing it runs by flamethrower, and fuck you, you can't have that. Two thing is it runs things like the mining drill, the car. I think there's a car.
Okay, so what is the multi-block tank structure? Because we are going to need some tanks.
And it's cheap. I set a bunch of iron. What the hell? What the fucking Terraria?
Alright.
Ghost?
What?
Come home.
Main base home?
Yes.
On my way.
I can't make it do it again. I just Terraria'd a block. As in, it was remembering the damage value.
They do have a minor time that remembers.
Hold on. What the fuck?
But yeah, I think the Pokeball factory is now sufficiently powered.
Yeah, that's gonna be
get
the main
everything
source
hooked together.
Yeah. Yeah, Ghost, come home. See this. This is magic. I'm a magic man.
Woo! That was almost lava.
Oh yeah, I flew my face through lava once. It's not an enjoyable experience.
Oh, hey, you got a tank. Nice.
Oh, damn it.
It's pretty much full already.
Yeah. That's how
These
cheap they are.
immersive engineering fluid tanks are just not that storage filled.
They're 512 buckets.
Yeah, but each one of these is
512 buckets.
Yeah,
Ghost,
I mean,
you know the yellow tanks we have over in the Mesa right now, those portable ones? Those are 512 buckets.
They're like several. I upgraded mine a couple times.
What color is it?
Yellow?
That's 512 buckets.
Oh. Alright then.
And think of how much it costs to upgrade that.
You're gonna need some serious pipe infrastructure.
This one is at 430 buckets right now. Up it goes. See that floating block? Jump on up. Stand on this tank. Oh, wait, we can't. Okay. Stand on that tank. And then look up with your pickaxe. And jump and hit it. And then jump and hit it. And jump and hit it.
Hey, look at that!
What the fucking magic? It doesn't do it on anything else. Only if you're underneath and jumping up. And I can't see you doing this, but it just broke.
That's cool.
Ghost? Minecraft is haunted. You can run back to the Mesa now. I'm gonna end up doing is... Is he even running? Yeah. You better be careful. And no further. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a second one of these. For creosote. Granted, I guess that kinda means we're set forever on creosote oil.
Alright, so that tank thing takes...
I'm actually just gonna
iron, sheet metal, and treated wooden fence. Okay, sweet. We'll just make
treated wooden fence is you need treated sticks and treated wood, which, hey, you make with creosote. Look at that.
I've got some spare. Treated sticks. Treated wood. Alright, so it's treated fence.
And that's the thing you make 3 of.
2 and 4, of course. Get a bucket of creosote.
Ghost. I had to make my own sheet metal blocks because I need to make another tank, so... There's 38 sheet metal. That's 1 extra.
Now, is there a way to move more than... No, of course not. I guess it just lays down the pattern. Okay. Buckets can go back. Wood can go back. Alright, 18 fences. Which will make 4 of the structures. Oh, thank you for the sheet metal.
Yep.
I'm going to need to make more of it, because how many per thing does it take?
38. 37. I gave you exactly as much as you needed.
Well, that's for a tank. I have to make tanks for a lot of things. Like, is there any better storage tank?
I mean, the drums, which are pretty cheaty, in my opinion.
I mean, we may just need oil drums. Like, the amount we are processing is far exceeding what we can expect. Like, at least for the end product stuff.
Okay. So, if you look, the way to make drums, if you look, is you make a stone drum, which is stone around a bowl. That makes a stone drum. Then you can make an iron drum, which is you then... Actually, you can skip. I thought you had to upgrade. No, it's a cauldron surrounded with 6 ingots and 2 weighted pressure plates in the middles, or the middle top and end. The reinforced large drum, which was made with the iron drum, is that with diamonds and golden plates instead. The demonically gargantuan is no.
So...
Right, no, we have demon metal, don't we?
So how much does an iron drum hold?
500 buckets.
Nope. If you hold shift on it, it holds 256.
Oh, I can't. Oh, did you make one?
No, if you hold shift on the recipe,
yeah,
it says
yeah,
recipe
yeah.
ID, drum _ 256.
But then look at the reinforced drum. That's where the issue is. Look at the reinforced drum.
Yeah.
Ghost? Look at the reinforced drum.
Yeah, 4,000.
Look at the demonically gargantuan.
Oh, jeez.
We have the demon ingots, by the way. Pretty sure we do. Yeah, I'm looking at 15 of them. We can make one of those right now.
I mean, that would solve some of the...
I mean, if we're doing this, and I'm making it an oil barrel, and you can't stop me! I'm mugging Sky's eyeballs.
Honestly, I think the oil drum might be less efficient than the oil powers, other than the fact it's mobile. I don't know if it carries the stuff with it.
Oil drums?
Yeah.
Is there an oil... Wait, what? What are you referring to?
The, like, if we were to make the iron level drums, I think it's actually cheaper in metal cost to make the sheet metal.
No. Yeah, because it's twice as many. It's the thing of that you can then reinforce it with a couple diamonds and literally 4 pieces of gold, and you get 4 times as much.
Because it's one... Okay, so it'd be 38 iron ingots to make one of the tanks.
Yes. And that's the thing goes, the drums are not where it gets broken.
The drum would be 6. The weighted pressure plates are 2, so that's 6, 8, 10, and then a cauldron is another 7. So it's 17 per drum. So I guess the drums are cheaper.
Just have a bottle. That's for you.
Bottle 4?
I'm breaking the universe.
I am concerned.
You should be. Spesh might be angry at me, but whatever. I can just have him. I think it's just you give up gold to lava.
Alright, so... Need to make some plates. Is the plate press on?
Yep, just slap in your iron ingots and it goes.
2 stacks worth. So I'm gonna have, like,
Do 1 stack at a time.
Oh.
I don't quite know what it'll do if it's like they're left there for too long.
It'll start chewing through the second stack by that time, as long as I don't do more than 2. Ow.
What else does this bottle do? Oh, literally that. Just that. Does one job. End the world.
Does the job well.
Yeah. I'm gonna quickly run over and get a whole 6 diamonds, and then we'll have a god tank. And at that point, should I just, like, slap that to the oil? Because I feel like that's most of the oil in one spot, instead of having to slowly drain it out.
Yeah?
And then, like, we could just give that to your thing. We wouldn't have to pipe it over if we have 65,000 buckets in one spot.
For the source thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I'm dealing with the out
The
products
after products,
right now.
yeah. So remember, those are also, like, each one of those full one little tanks will fill into a big iron tank.
Yeah.
So you're really just translating them into more on-the-ground space. But it's the issue of, if we could go further in the chain on those tanks, we would. We don't have the resonant shit.
Yeah, so it's just you build the tank.
And then you right-click
block
at the
in the
middle
center,
block on
and
one of
then
the faces with the hammer.
It's hollow in the middle. And it's 4 floors up?
Yep.
Okay.
Just need me 6 diamonds.
Then I need the engineer's hammer to convert.
Yep, you right-click one of the faces.
Alright, boom.
You know, something just occurred to me. I don't quite know how to pick this barrel back up.
Put 1 bucket of thing in it and try picking it up with a pickaxe.
You know what? That's a much better idea than I was going to have. Oh, it's a water barrel now. Breaks instantly and it keeps its entire contents. Jesus Christ. Wait. Okay, did reset. I thought I forever trapped it into being a water bucket and I was gonna scream.
Oops.
Yeah, it would have been an oops.
No, oops as in I didn't build it 1 taller than it needed to be.
Alright, Ghost, you ready for this? You ready for this? You want to actually come over the oil pump?
To the oil pump. Okay.
Ready to see something ridiculous? So this is a super laminar fluid line, right?
Okay, yep.
That's a tank that can hold 65,000 buckets.
Mm-hmm.
Fortunately, we can't see how many buckets it's currently holding. But, you know what? Let's just go watch.
Ah! Why would you do that?
Let's watch.
So dark in here. Okay, I'm breathing again.
Welcome to the oil pit.
So the issue is it's limited to the speed of the pump now.
Ghost, look around you.
Yeah, it's making some progress.
The pump has always been faster than what we could ever put in. Because we always would run out of capacity in about 10 seconds. So, that's how fast it ate an entire layer. Also, you can teleport out, I can't. I was the real fool in this.
I mean, you could fly out?
Yeah, with my Numel, my other Numel, my Diglett, my Numel. Oh, I know I have an Abra. Never mind. I can teleport. Yeah, that's not gonna work, Ghost. Oh, never mind! It does, apparently!
Hmm? Kadabra can breed under oil.
You can breed under oil? That's terrifying. Yeah, with the Mesa still. I wish there was a way to see how much oil's in there right now, without breaking it. But, Ghost, I think this oil vein is gonna be tapped in a couple moments here.
Yeah, that seems like a likely outcome.
Oh, god fucking damn it! I fell in the hole. God damn it.
Okay, so let's do maximum fluid draining speed. This crap needs to get out of my inventory. That's the biggest issue with this mod pack, is just having too much stuff to put in different things.
I'm thinking, Ghost, if I'm just giving you this oil, I probably should keep the remaining oil in these tanks.
Yeah. So that means you don't need those laminar things, and I could just shuttle that barrel to and from source and sink. Just wheel it around on a little cart.
The heaviest cart in the universe. Alright, I really should stop helping you and go work on my project.
Is there a way to see how much is in the tanks?
The tanks hold a bucket.
But I mean, like, oh, hold a bucket and then look at the tanks.
Yeah.
Ah.
Took me a while to figure that one out.
Boy, that's taking some time to drain. I was expecting that to be faster. Alright, then.
What's taking a while to drain? You're
need...
Ghost!
Yeah, I was thinking
Stop
I could
using the garbage baby pipes!
just for overflow. Just hook it up to the right one only, yeah. So how do you get it to draw? Is it a particular item, or...?
It's a servo. Servos impact the rate at which things are pulled out. We can easily make, like, look up Signalum Servo. That's the tier we make right now, and it's the one we can easily do, because it's just Signalum. And that's just redstone and metal.
Okay, do you have a spare servo I can have?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh, what am I doing? You have a tank. You don't need you don't need a servo. Watch this. Ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Right click. Has to sit on top.
Okay. You get that wrench on my hotbar then.
Have it like this. And you just right click and set it to orange and oh, look at that! Oh, look at that!
Oh, okay, that is super efficient. Actually,
why are you doing that?
Because it was done.
Use your fucking wrench!
Oh, sorry. So what do you do? Like, it's just...
You have a blue
Shift
wrench
click?
and you shift right click. Shift right click. Shift right click.
Shift, crouch, right click.
Do you need a line for this one as well?
No. I'm just going to switch that line over.
How are you going to do that?
With my wrench.
Do it now.
Ow!
I told you to do it now, Ghost!
I didn't realize it was on.
How do I turn it off?
You just go and click the switch
I found
inside the
the switch.
building.
Jesus Christ, Ghost.
Look, okay, I obviously need to bury the wiring or something.
It'd be better, like, if you just didn't have that step up, right where you jumped up and died, you'd be better.
Let's stay away.
Look, let's just
Into it.
agree to never go to that height level again.
Oh, now my inventory's all out of order.
Let's just agree to never go to that height level again, Ghost.
I guess.
So you're gonna fix the... Oh, I'll just do it.
Alright, I've got to, like, rearrange my entire inventory now.
You also only need to be, like, that long. Instead of where it was before.
Yeah.
Wait, was that thing full of gas?
Yeah, I think that tank might have been the smaller one.
That was, because it's only 178 buckets. So, are you doing gasoline or diesel right now? That is gasoline.
Yeah.
Why do you do that? Why do you refuse to use the wrench, Ghost? Alright, remember your training. Then you do... Look at that!
Yeah, so these are 3 times the capacity?
That wasn't full. Neither of those... What did you just do?
Nothing? Is it live still? Is the
The
generator on?
sound just turned on.
I think... Oh, what I did is I finally got it to...
That's lubricant.
I finally had an empty sink, so it was the sound of the draining from the generator.
It's having a very hard time draining this diesel. Did you notice?
Yeah.
What? What?
Oh, because it's still on.
Turn it off. But if you look, it's having trouble outputting it. Like, look. There it goes.
Yeah. The machine was on, so it was producing as fast as it was using it.
Now it just can't find the home for lubricant that's right there.
It's because it might actually
There it goes.
Okay. Is that the
Yes, that
only
means-
output slot it has?
Yup.
That's unfortunate.
Told it to turn back on, but it doesn't have enough power.
I flipped the
Off.
switch.
Wait, what switch did you just flip?
The generator. This thing always stays on.
Oh, okay. Alright. You're done exploding now? Let's go check on the oil.
One's empty, that one's empty.
How's the oil doing? Easy way to check. Oh, gee. Alright, so come on over. There's an easy way to check how the oil pump is doing.
Mm-hmm.
Right-click on the engine and see how much stored power the engine has. If it's literally anything under 100, it's currently using the power.
Okay. And then if it's 100%, it means the oil's empty.
If it has stored power, it means it doesn't have capacity to output right now.
Hmm. Are these tanks? No, the tanks aren't empty. No, it's producing the fuel for the quarry just fine now.
Yep, it always has. Good old quarry. Look at it doing its job. Oh yeah, we're actually making an excess again. We were almost out in the third tank, but now the third tank's full again.
Damn. Oh, this is where you need the thing.
I was waiting for you to figure that one out.
Well, I don't have one of them in my inventory, so. Okay. Well, so we're making good progress
You've
on
learned
that.
how to pipe. I'm proud of you, Ghost. I'm gonna go jump in the oil now. Whee! Holy shit!
Pool.
Ghost, get in here!
Cannonball! Bloosh. Oh.
Look!
Damn.
The little dots in the middle, that's the midway point. Those weren't exposed, or those were just barely exposed last time we were in here.
Means it's almost done.
Actually, no, they weren't. Because you see that tar sand in the top left over there? That wasn't exposed yet.
Hmm.
Holy shit, pumpkin
I'm letting
go
myself
fast.
slowly sink so I can go underwater and see. Or under oil.
I mean, look at the edges. Because, hey, look, a cave.
Yep.
Do you have any torches on you?
Nope.
It's probably a bad idea. But hey, look, an open flame.
Whoosh! Explosion.
I know, right? That'd be funny. We just die instantly, the server explodes.
Hold on, I think I actually have a flint and steel. Where is it?
Ghost. It doesn't work that way, but no.
I guess I don't. Oh, hey, I have stuff.
What did you just place?
A lantern.
Get that off that. Because that will actually stop existing in a little bit here.
Oh, I can see under. It goes down again.
Yeah, because we're just under the midway.
No, like if you can see all the way down, it goes down to bedrock.
Oh, right, yeah, I forgot they changed it up. There's another, like, shaft underneath. There's not another bowl, but it's just another shaft.
Ow. 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 Air. Air. No, stop punching me. I'm good. Stop. I'm
Let's
regenning.
just move this way. Just move with the oil. We live here now, Ghost.
Yeah, this will be...
How much do you want to bet that thing isn't even, like, half full?
I'll go up and check.
No, stay with me. Your cadaver's dying now. God damn it. You're gonna have to break it to do that.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm gonna do it.
Alright, so those tanks finish draining your tower, so then we can get rid of your glass tower. Yep, they did. Oh.
It is up to... Hey, Ghost. That number was wrong.
What?
Unless, it's 1,000 millibuckets per bucket,
Yeah?
right? So, what's 65,000 times 1,000?
Oh, it's 65,000 buckets worth?
Is it? Oh no, what's 65,000 times 1,000? So it's 650,000 or 6.5 or 65 million?
6.5 million. No. Times 100? Times 1,000. It's 1,000, it's a million, because it goes up one tier.
So if it's 65,000 times 1,000, it's 65 million, right?
65,000 times 1,000, 65 million, yes.
Oh, no. Yes. Okay, this is 65. We're at 32,000 buckets right now.
Jeez.
Jesus Christ. And then look, during all that, Ghost, it stored up 2,000 megajoules of power.
Damn.
That little window of looking. Yeah, so, holy fuck. Man, remember that we have another one of those to tap already. Like, right there.
Yeah.
And we wanted to use the shitty pipes to do all this. Remember that when we wanted to use the terrible ones?
Live wire.
Thanks for the warning.
Yeah,
Ghost, why do you still have the survivalist generator?
because I haven't picked it up yet.
That had a full battery of power. I mean, that's, I guess, nothing sauce compared now, but...
Yeah.
Alright, but looks like we got that going again.
So the question is there a safer way to route this? Can I put another one of those relays somewhere so it doesn't end up killing
you just
us?
make the one relay taller.
I mean, I could put a relay. Can I attach it upside down here? Like that? That'll get it a little bit shorter.
No, that's not the issue, Ghost. That's not the issue. Your origin point's still the same with that.
Yeah. Ow. Woo!
I was telling you it yeets! I mean, we have the boots for it, so it helps, but...
Yeah.
I threw the relay on you.
Thank you.
I'm going to run home, and I'll finish up that pipe so we can finish draining the creosote, and then we're going to end the episode off. Ghost, you really just need to make the point on the wall taller. Because it can, as long as the start point is going to be the same no matter what you do. If you make the middle point a lot taller, it'll arc upwards, and we won't slap into it.
Yeah, that's a fair point. I have more bricks. I can do that. I turned it off.
That doesn't get the power out of the line, Ghost.
I know that now.
Ghost, I know what my episode's gonna be. I'm bringing back an oldie but a goodie.
Voltage.
Nah, I'm bringing back an oldie but a goodie.
Ghost is bad at wiring.
Ghost is bad at electricity. When was the last time I got to title something Ghost is bad at something?
Fair enough, fair enough.
Also, Spesh never joined mid-episode.
Oh, are you still at the quarry?
No, I teleported home.
Of course, that is not a good spot for that. Can I get my wrench back? Thank you. Okay, just need this wrench. Because I didn't put that to drain. There we go. That's why there was still power in the machine.
Yeah, your power had nowhere to go.
Mm-hmm. God, it processes so fast. Looks like it actually might have multiple output points. No, I guess it's that one point.
Yeah, it's weird, but...
It's annoying, because what it has to do is, because of the way these pipes work, they can't pull all three things at once. They pull one at a time, and so it gums the machine up a lot whenever it...
It is a weird design choice. I think what they want you to use the fluid router, I think, is what it is.
Yeah.
But we have been going for just over an hour. We are a little on a time limit today, so unfortunately, this is going to be the end of the episode. We got a lot of stuff done. Ghost got electrocuted a fuck ton.
Yeah.
I unfortunately did not get nearly as much stuff as at home I wanted to, but hey, we have a gargantuan oil tank now. But, yep, next episode we're going to work on the coal coke steel again. Actually get it going to the point of automation by putting some extra barrels in here, get some coal routed in, route out coal coke. Then we're going to work on upgrading these steel furnaces once that's done. I'm going to look at the possibility of if the fluid pipes from Immersive Engineering work without loading the entire line. If so, we'll make a whole bunch of fluid pipes, which I think need steel anyways. But if not, we'll end up having to start working on the cross-country power line.
And we're going to make that damn thing tall, because anytime we hit it, we're dead.
Yep, giant oil is 1.7 thousand blocks away. It's going to be a hell of a line.
Oh, wow, yeah, that's a little ways out.
Luckily, like, the point of high voltage is it's good for transferring, because it doesn't have the issue of, I'm very far away, I lose 80% of my power.
Yeah.
But,
and the good news is we got
all.
plenty of oil out here.
Yeah, we do. And that's the thing. We have another one to tap. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to section off a good chunk of the oil and have that just be for fuel processing for future quarry sites, because I think we're done in the Mesa. I think we, quarry-wise, are done in the Mesa. It produces a lot of gold, but because there's, by and large, more gold, it seems like there's less of everything else.
Yeah, and then we can, like, quarry, like, a mountain range a little bit closer to home, so we don't have to
That's the thing. I want to quarry a mountain because thunderstones. I want a thunderstone armor set because walking is torture. Oh, but you need the whole set to haste, don't you?
Anyway,
think about that later.
Yeah.
We're going to end the episode off now. So thank you, everyone who got the episode. We'll see you guys next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.